Well, in fact, Aditya, as also it remains to be seen in the kind of arrangements that authorities will be making in an alert manner to also refrain from, in fact, giving the kind of rise to the accidents that are especially being seen witnessing a spike during the extensive fog. Now, Mehndi Garg is also joining me live from, in fact, the national capital. Mehndi, as my colleagues have also given already the glimpse of how severe the fog in the national capital looks like. From the area you're reporting, can you tell us, in fact, the traffic condition that you can see, and also when we're talking about the visibility, how far is, in fact, our eyes can see from different parts of the national capital owing to the complete blanket of fog that continues to engulf different sectors?
Well, indeed, Simran, we are at India Gate right now, and Delhi woke up to, engulfing fog today. You can see the visuals also here. The India Gate is not visible. There is no visibility as such of the India Gate right now, and you can see the vehicles also. There is a decrease in the number of vehicles also because of the reduced visibility. This is the part of the national capital which considers to be the central Delhi, and here the number of vehicles have dropped down, but still there are some parts of the Delhi where the visibility is completely reduced to the level of zero. And if we can show the visuals opposite side also, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is also not visible. The Kartavya Path is completely engulfed in the layer of thick fog. You can see, and talking about the temperature today, Simran, then it has been dropped down to the levels of 8 degrees, which decrease furthermore in later nights and early in the mornings. And the temperature has been observed to drop down to the levels of 3 to 4 degrees as